Thank you very much, Jackie. And I could add with Jerry, on behalf of IFR, the Institute of Food Research, we are very honored and pleased to co-host this event with Teagasc, and a warm welcome to you all. The Institute of Food Research at Norwich in the UK, and we are strategically funded by the UK Biotechnology Biological Sciences Research Council, and they also support very strongly this event. It is indeed a historic event, has been underlined. There are many, many links, as Jerry has said, that unite this group of islands. And just last weekend, I was on holiday in the UK, and I happened to be looking through the Michelin guide and finding somewhere to go and get something to eat. And when I put it down, I just looked at it. It wasn't the Michelin guide of the UK. It was the UK and Ireland. And then I thought for a minute, there are so many things that are actually UK and Ireland. All the maps of this part of the world are the same, all the guides and things, that we are so close together, and we share so many things in common. And that is why this event is so very, very important, so that we can make the most of these common connections and opportunities. This is indeed an exciting day. We're very pleased to be part of, and we are so grateful that it's been attended by so many leaders from industry, research, education, and government to debate what can we do collectively to enhance the economic and social impact of our food industries. Jerry also alluded to the high interdependence of trade. For the UK, the turnover of food and drink is of the order of 80 billion a year, 13 billion in exports, just under 7,000 businesses which employ around about 400,000 employees. It's a major part of the UK too. There are many shared objectives in the food and drink sectors in Ireland and the UK. And I was flicking through the Food Research Ireland document that you have, and it articulates so well the challenges that face us, and as it roadmaps the future for the Irish industry to 2020. And the UK is currently debating its agri-tech strategy, and we look forward to the publication of that in the near future. Our countries are indeed in similar positions. We work in the same regulatory environment, similar cost-based. We have well-developed and relevant research bases, and also we have world-leading educational establishments. The essential ingredients are there. And as Jerry has said, recognizing this and the challenges facing industry, our Prime Minister and your Taoiseach made a commitment to greater collaboration for innovation. And they highlighted the needs of the agri-food sector. And this is the first public step in realizing that commitment. John Beddington, the outgoing UK government science advisor, articulated what has come to be known the perfect storm that we find ourselves in. That of increasing global population, the need for enhanced food production, and at the same time coping with climate change. As I say, all at once. The best estimates of the future anticipate something like a 40% increase in primary food production. But we can have much less confidence that we can achieve those objectives, which have been achieved historically over the past decades, because of the difficulties facing breeding and pesticide controls. We therefore need more efficient and sustainable food production, less environmental impact, and we have to produce healthier food to address food-related illnesses such as obesity and poor nutritional status. So, more food in sustainable supply, healthier, more safe, and with a reduced environmental impact. To do this requires capitalizing on and improving on our technology base with more effective routes to market, which require a more enterprising and entrepreneurial workforce. This is what innovation is about. A colleague of mine, David Gregory, who used to be technical director of Marks and Spencer's, summarizes the options for industry. First one, innovate. The second one, differentiate. And if both of those fail, get the price down. Well, looking at a survey last year in the UK, apparently 30 to 40% of food products, depending on who you believe, are sold on promotion. So the inference is pretty clear. Innovation isn't working quite as well as it should do. Why is it difficult to innovate? Why is it difficult for the food industry in particular? Well, the food industry is unusual, distinctive. There are many industries in the food process. Dairy, frozen foods, fats and oils, which require different technologies. You need an interdisciplinary approach. It is not a monolithic thing. The industry is geographically dispersed and is 85 to 90% composed of small to medium-sized enterprises. There's been low research and development investment historically, both from private and public sources. And there have been few examples of effective collaborative working. So we need, one, a focused collaborative investment in the technology base, and two, an improvement in our ability to take new knowledge and products to market. This points to improved technology and better skills and more entrepreneurial workforce. IFR holds a key position in the UK. It is the only Research Council-supported post-farm gate research institute. And it has very close relationships with the other institutes, which are mainly in primary production, both supported by the Research Councils and DEFRA, as well as close relationships with university academic departments, of which there are many in the UK. We help lead and administer the UK National Technology Platform for Food. This group brings together the industry, research and trade associations, other providers of research and training, with an objective to help focus the debate on how public funds can best address the research, innovation, and training needs of the food industry. In Europe, we also have the European Institute of Innovation and Technology, the EIT, which is the main instrument for the EU to support innovation. IFR and Teagasc have been working very closely together to explore opportunities for accessing funding from the EIT for the benefit of these islands. And I refer to our work on promoting a knowledge and innovation community in food. And our objectives here are to accelerate the technology-based innovation process, to provide the best skilled and entrepreneurial workforce, and to strengthen the current industrial food base. The debate today can contribute to this effort, and it is important that clear mechanisms are set in place after today to keep this momentum going. I'd like to finish, as Jerry, in thanking the various people that have made this day possible. Obviously, I'd like to thank Jerry and his colleagues, particularly Declan at Teagasc, because they've done the vast majority of the work with this event. We've had great help from the Irish and UK government departments, UKTI, the British and Irish Chambers of Commerce, and many other organisations. We are grateful to all. I look forward to a historic, informative day which will set us on the road to closer collaboration across the Irish theme. Thank you very much.